Hello and welcome to my tech studio. While working in MS Excel, you sometimes need to arrange your data in ascending order or even in descending order. So let's learn today how to arrange data in ascending order or descending order. But before learning ascending order and descending order in MS Excel, let's learn what is ascending order and what is descending order. Ascending order means going from low to high level, and descending order is the reverse of ascending order. Mean ascending order start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. While in case of descending order, the first number will be the highest. For example, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 up to 1. So now let's learn. Here I have some numbers. You can see 500, 630, and these numbers are randomly arranged. Now if you want to arrange these numbers in ascending order, select the data. In the Home tab, go to the Editing section. In the Editing section, you have the option of Sort and Filter. Click and you will find this drop down menu. The first option is Sort Smallest to Largest. This is ascending order. As you click, the data is arranged in ascending order. You can see the lowest number 300 is on the top while the highest number 950 is at the bottom. This is ascending order. Now let us arrange this data in descending order. As I have already told you that descending order means the highest number will be on the top and we will come from top to bottom. Go to the Home tab. Under the Home tab, in the Editing section, we have the option of Sort and Filter. In the Sort and Filter section, we have the second option of Sort Largest to Smallest. This is descending order. And now you can see the data is arranged in descending order. 950, which is the highest entry or the highest number in this data, is on the top, and 300, which is the lowest number or the lowest entry, is at the bottom. Once again, that ascending means while you are going from A to Z, and descending means coming back, the reverse from Z to A. Thanks for watching this video. Take care and goodbye.